Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about Lancashire boiler, one of the type of a boiler. So in the previous video we have seen the different types of boiler based on different classification of boilers, and now what is a Lancashire boiler? On it is based on what thing, position of water and hot flue gases. It depends upon the position of water and hot flue gases. We are going to divide into two categories. One is fire tube boilers, another one is water tube boilers. So the fire tube boilers, in this case the hot flue gases from the boiler passes through tubes. So that tubes are surrounded with the help of with the water. So the water gets the heat from the tubes and it becomes steam. Okay, this is what the fire tube boilers is. And the water tube boilers, in the sense where the tube water is filled through the tubes and it is surrounded by the hot flue gases. Now it based upon to another thing is based upon the furnace position of furnace, internally fired and externally fired. So the furnace which is used to produce the heat may be located inside the boiler, or it may be external to the boiler. So here the two things are there. According to this, we are going to see one important category is a fire tube boiler, that is a Lancashire boiler. So the Lancashire boiler is how it is functioning. Let me see here how the engine, steam engine works, or function of this Lancashire boiler is. You can see at the left end there is a furnace is there. In the furnace we are going to we are going to produce the heat by burning the fuel. So when the fuel is getting burnt, the hot flue gases are passing through the tubes, and the tubes are passed in the drum where the water is getting fully covered. So the tubes passes through the drum where the water is filled. So the water gets the heat from the hot flue gases, and that the water becomes steam. So the steam is steam output is one side and the water inlet is one side, and as well as the hot flue gases which is produced in this furnace is going to be escapes through the smoke area. So that is what we can say here. In this case we can see the construction of the Lancashire boiler, where the construction shows that it have a horizontal boiler, horizontal drum. So in the axis of horizontal it is located, and it consists of the area where water is filled. The blue color says here, you can see the blue color things is consists of fully water, and the bottom area, it is the drum is surrounded with some gap where the hot flue gases can pass. So the hot flue gases pass through the tubes, bigger tubes over there, that is the galloway tubes. So that and baffle plates will be there where the hot flue gases passes very slowly, and it heats the water. So the water is getting heated up and it becomes a steam. That pink area where we showed here is the steam. The generated steam is there, and that steam we can take it to the steam turbine through some main steam line. And there are some other accessories and other mountings and accessories. We call it as one is a manhole and safety devices, dead weight safety valves, like that. It is useful for the safety of the pressure boiler, because high pressure is getting created when hot steam is getting produced. So this is what the construction. You can see one end there is two holes will be there through which the fire we can put coals, and the grate, it's a fuel grate where the burning we can burn the fuel. So through this the hot flue gases pass through the tubes, and that tubes which the water is getting circulated or filled with around the tube, it's going to be produce the steam. And by seeing this, Lancashire boiler is a horizontal drum and a natural circulation boiler. It's a natural draft, so it depends upon the movement passed through because of the variation in the densities, right? And here the main topics what we are going to discuss is the thermal efficiency is more 80 to 90 percentage thermal efficiency is there, and the locomotive, it is used in the railway engines, like locomotive engines we call it as, and the steam engines or marine engines, we are using these type of boilers. It create the steam by burning the fuel and passing the hot flue gases through the tube. This is the construction over here. Around a big brick walls are there to avoid the heat transfer. It avoids the transfer of the heat away. So there the brick wall is there, and it consists of the safety valves, manholes, and economizer preheaters for producing more heat and for producing effective utilization of the boilers. So we are going to see about what are the mountings and accessories in the further classes. Now Lancashire boiler only we are concentrating. It is a cylindrical shell filled with water, and there are two large fire tubes will be there. The two large fire tubes through which the hot flue gases are going to be passes. So the solid fuel we are burning at one fire door. There is the door where we are firing that fuel. So the brickwork is provided to deflect the flue gases and to prevent the entry of burning fuel and ashes into the interior parts of the tubes. The fire tubes are just a small, slightly conical at the rear to increase the velocity of the flue gases, and the flue gases passes through the channels and from the front end. When we are burning the fuel, it passes through that. So that gases pass through the sides, and it makes the water getting heated up. So the dampers are providing to circulate the flow of hot flue gases in a regulated way, and the steam which is produced, it will be stored in the upper portion of the boiler. Then it is we can take it through the steam pipeline and we can send it to the turbine blades. Manhole is present for the maintenance purpose and to remove the muds and whatever it is getting settled because of the huge water is present for a long, and the impurities to be removed. So here the safety valves are needed, and water level indicator which is used for the how much amount of water is present, that we should be there. And there are some pressure gauges for maintaining the boiler pressure, and valve, steam stop valve for controlling the flow of steam, and check valves, blow off valves which is used for the movement of particles, sediments. Blow off valve will be used for the removal of the impurities which is settled in the boiler. Okay, so these are all the important accessories and mountings which are used in this boiler. So the fusible plug is the one which is used to extinguish the fire when in case of huge heat is getting produced, that it will be useful for the unsafe level of water. If it comes suddenly, this fusible plug will get melted and it put off the fire for the further explosion, to avoid the explosion. So the fire tube and ash pits are used for the protection, igniting the fuel, and the ash pits are used for the removal of the ash after the fuel is getting burnt. Okay, so these are all the important important areas of the boiler. And then the economizers, preheaters, these are all very important accessories which are to improve the performance. So economizer or air preheater will improve the heat before when it started to burn the water. Economizer are used to heat the water, make into the warm water before getting into steam, so that it will be, increase the efficiency of the boiler. As well as the air preheater, which is helpful for preheating the air which is used for the burning of the fuel. And the superheaters are used to increase the temperature of the steam once it is produced. The superheater are useful for increasing the temperature of the steam, so that it will be helpful in power generation, rotation of the turbine. So there is a very huge improvement in the efficiency will be there. So these are all the accessories which is used in the Lancashire boiler. The advantages are it is easy to operate, and it can easily maintain the load requirements, and it is easy to operate for high thermal efficiency. Fuel generation, the fuel consumption will be very less. And the disadvantages, it's a just low pressure boiler. Okay, the pressure, high pressure steam, we cannot produce it in this. And maintenance is very toughest area here, and corrosion occurs due to the water blags. Okay, so the steam production rate is very slow because entire water which is surrounded in the boiler is going to be heated up through the fire tubes only. So the steam production rate is very less in this case of this Lancashire boiler. So this is the very important topics what we have to learn through the Lancashire boiler, and in the further videos we are going to see about the water tube boiler, which is a Babcock and Wilcox boiler. All right. Okay.